Wow, yummy. Crispy.
You just throw oil to make it crispy.
Can you explain if you finish to roast?
When you finish roasting, if you want it to be crispy, just make
like
very hot oil, and then you just pour it in, and then you can hear the popping sound like it's very nice,
Crispy.
but high in cholesterol. But where the if they said the budget, ooh, nice, yan. Oh, yan. Yan na. Pumuputok na. Oh, yan.
Wow. That's the technique.
Yeah. You just, when you finish roasting, give it some time. This is patient. You have to have big patience. If you want to eat crispy, you have to have big patience. Wait. When you slice, it's mouth-watering.
Wow.
You can hear the crunchy. Excuse me.
Look at that. Crispy.
Yan. Ready to slice.
I think that's it.
Yeah.
How about this one?
It's already, that's a thing already. Look, very crispy.
Where's my phone?
Okay.
My phone.
We do boodle type.
Hello. Oh. One, two, three. Oh, up.
How about the one? We just put in the middle.
This one.
The small one.
Yeah, put this small one. I'm just gonna make it more crispier. And then you slice the big one. This one. See? Can you hear?
Let's put the big one in the.
It's a very crunchy. Look.
Wow.
It's a little bit brownish because we thing with the soy sauce seasoning, so that you know, when you taste the skin, it's crunchy and it's sweet, juicy. You see? Yeah. As you can see, you can hear. It's very crispy. Look, nice.
You heard the sound?
Yeah, that's it.
Look at the sound.
Oh, see, nice. Now we start cutting. Who's cutting?
Islands of the Pacific continues Thursday at 9 on ITV and ITV Hub.
No. No, stop on stop.
It's gonna pop! Sandok taray.
What are you doing, Abby? What do you call that? What do you call that? Kabalok.
Sino? Dad, may kislicean?
Live yan, Blas, live.
Hindi ko pa na yan.
Hola!
Yan, papilino ko rin. Agad.
Oh, careful!
Wow. Ganda pa lang pagkanda.
I turned this light off.
No, no, it's not. Put a little bit because it's too no, yeah. No, you can see. Doon yung
Wala?
Kaya namin ito kami.
A brand new series of the Good Karma Hospital starts tomorrow at 8.
Kuya. Where's Kuya?
I'd like to welcome a new member to the major investigation team.
Mom, that's mine.